Hello. Today has brought different experiences and opportunities for all zodiac signs according to the movement of stars and planets. The purpose of this horoscope is to help you make better decisions and make your day more positive. Note that this information is for guidance only. Aries, today will be a day full of confidence. You are likely to get success in the tasks you undertake. Your hard work will be appreciated in the office and you will get support from higher officials. There may be some new experiences in personal life. An old dispute in the family will be resolved, which will make the atmosphere pleasant. The financial situation will improve. If you are thinking of investing, it would be better to consult an expert. Taurus, today will be a pleasant day for you. Your efforts in the workplace will get positive results. Your leadership will be appreciated. You will get a chance to spend time with family. For those who are looking for a new job, today has brought auspicious signs. In terms of health, you may feel mild fatigue, but it will be cured with a balanced diet and adequate rest. Gemini, today will bring new challenges and opportunities for you. You can achieve a big goal with your hard work. This is the right time to start working on some new plans. There will be deep communication with a family member, which will strengthen the relationship. The day will be moderate from the financial point of view, but there is a need to control expenses. Cancer, today can be a bit challenging for you. It is necessary to control emotions. There may be a rift with someone close, but it can be resolved through conversation. You may feel a little stressed at work, but work with patience and dedication. Take special care of your health and consult a doctor if needed. Leo, today your confidence and leadership ability will be at its peak. Your ideas and plans will be appreciated at work. Your self-reliant and positive attitude will lead to great achievements. There may be a discussion of some auspicious work in the family. The day is profitable from the financial point of view, and there is a possibility of getting back the stuck money. Virgo, today your day will be full of business. There are signs of success in job and business. Take any important decision by consulting an elder member of the house. The day is favorable for students and can get good results in exams or competitions. Be careful about health and pay attention to food. Libra, today is the day for you to create a balance. There is a need to balance work and personal life. The day will be beneficial for those who are in business. You may meet an old friend or colleague, which will bring positive changes in your life. Be a little cautious about health, especially protect yourself from cold. Scorpio, today will be a day full of happiness for you. Your hard work in the workplace will pay off. The day will be especially beneficial for those who are involved in business. There will be an atmosphere of peace and affection in the family. You will get a chance to spend time with your spouse. The day is favorable for investment. Sagittarius, today will bring new opportunities for you. Employed people can get promotion or praise. A big deal can be found in business. There are chances of travel, which will prove to be beneficial. You can participate in an event with the family. The financial situation will be strong, and you will be successful in repaying an old debt. Capricorn, today will be a day full of restraint and patience. Implement your plan and efforts in the workplace in a better way. You may face some difficulties, but you will overcome them with your hard work and wisdom. There may be a dispute in the family about something, but solve it with patience and wisdom. Be cautious about health. Aquarius, today will bring success and happiness for you. It is time to start working on new plans. There are signs of profit in financial matters. You will get full support from family and friends. Relationships with spouse will be sweet. Health will be good, but include regular exercise in your routine. Pisces, today will be a day full of creativity and positivity. Your talent and hard work will be appreciated in the workplace. Students can get the desired success in studies. You will get a chance to spend time with family. There are chances of monetary gains. The day will be normal from the health point of view. Disclaimer: this information has been collected from the internet. Our channel does not claim the accuracy of this information. If you found this detailed horoscope useful, please like it, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.